Did you know an estimated 1 in 10 people in the world receive a scam call every month? Shocking, isn't it? But what if, instead of hanging up on these scammers, we could turn the tables and gain the upper hand? Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of reverse connecting into a scammer's call center and capture their IP address. Imagine you're a security expert or an ethical hacker. You receive a call from a scammer who's trying to deceive you into allowing remote access to your computer. But instead of falling for their tricks, you decide to capture their IP address. The first step is to prepare a digital file to share with the scammer. It could be an image, a document, or any file that can be shared via a link. The goal is to create a file that the scammer will find interesting enough to click. To do this, you'll need to sign up for an IP logger service. These services allow you to create a unique URL that will log the IP address of anyone who clicks it. You'll link this URL to your digital file. During the conversation with the scammer, you'll pretend to comply, but mention that you're having trouble with a particular software or file. You'll then share the file with the scammer under the pretense that it's a screenshot of the error or a document you need help with. If the scammer takes the bait and clicks the link to view the file, bingo! Their IP address is logged by the IP logger service. But there's a twist. You can't just send the raw tracking link, it might look suspicious. That's where the art of disguise comes into play. Using an IP logger service, you'll wrap the link to the digital file in a special tracking link. This service will record the IP address of anyone who clicks on it. To make the tracking link less suspicious, you can use a URL shortening service. This will not only make the link less conspicuous, but also easier to share. Before you deploy this trap, it's crucial to test the link yourself to ensure it's working, and that the IP logger service is capturing the IP addresses correctly. Remember, this process is not a game. It's a serious endeavor that should only be undertaken by security professionals or ethical hackers. Always consider the legal and ethical implications of your actions. This information is for educational purposes only and should never be used to engage in illegal activities. So next time you receive a suspicious call, think twice before hanging up. You might just have an opportunity to outsmart the scammer and make the digital world a safer place.